a short squeeze. This is actually what happens on the stock market. It's a little bit different. It let explode the stock. And when does it happen for space stock and much more? This is why I made this video, so stay tuned. You know, being creative for all those intros is not easy, guys. So I would appreciate if you like up this video, but let's dive directly into what is actually a short squeeze. Well, for that, it's important to understand what's actually a short seller. A short seller actually want that the stock goes down because he don't believe in the story or the future of the company, and therefore he believes that he can borrow a stock, let's say the space stock, for $18, and then he thinks that the stock goes down to, let's say, $14, $12, $10, and then he can buy the stock back, give it back, and make, you know, $8 per share, or $6 per share, or $2 per share. Now, the very big risk for short sellers is that it goes in the other direction. And as you know, there's no, top for a stock, right? A stock can go up and up and up and up and up, basically in the infinity. Now, if you are just investing into stocks, the maximum cap that you can lose is 100%, obviously. So as you can see, it's a very, very risky endeavor, and many people don't like it because it's some kind of negative view on companies. And who is actually the target of short sellers? Mainly people and shorts that, are hard to understand. Let's assume Tesla. Tesla was for many people for a long time an innovator that created things differently, and therefore it's very important that you understand that most of the shorts are on innovators. And this is quite interesting because space is an innovator, right? I mean, with the space tourism and everything, some people don't understand it quite well, and therefore they're thinking, well, this never happens, right? The same way the people thought when the car was introduced, well, we need faster horses, not this machine that brings us from A to B and just kind of black magic, right? So as you can see, if we are succeeding in what we are doing, and this is, the innovation edge, then we can be handsomely rewarded, because at some point, if the stock goes up, the short seller needs to buy back the stock, and it's going even more people buying the stock, and then you have a really strong explosion of the stock price, and therefore the short squeeze is actually something very interesting, especially for those newcomers like Virgin Galactic. So as you can see, this is I hope well explained what a short seller is and what a short squeeze is. Let's dive into when this could happen for space stock. So when this short squeeze actually can happen, especially for space stock. Now, while many of you might think that the short squeeze is building up when the stock goes down, it is actually other way around. Yes, if you look at this graphic here, you see that the short interest is getting lower if the stock goes down. And this means that the percentage of all shares outstanding in the shorts are less and less. And this is a very logical experience, because if you think about it, the short sellers want to get in high, and when it goes down, they want to go out and get their money, right? So it's actually when the stock goes up that more and more short sellers are getting in and shorting the stock. Well, what can happen with Virgin Galactic? Now, at some point now, it's going down and down and down, or the last couple of days, okay? So what happens is that at some point we will find the bottom. Nobody can tell you where it is, okay? Not even me, not even Warren Buffett. Nobody can tell you when exactly a stock move up and down. So then when this happens, the stock will go higher, all right? Because some good news are coming, the overall market is positive. So then the stock goes up, and then short sellers thinking, hey, this company cannot be successful, so I will start to short the stock. And then you will see more and more people will short the stock. And then something need to happen, like a major milestone, what could be a very good flight, like Virgin Galactic is planning after the fall, with, you know, the 4 cabin crews and the whole rehearsal of the flight. Maybe somewhere around this time, when the people see, wow, this stock, I need to be in this stock before Richard Branson in January or February goes up into space. And then, you know, the stock goes up, and the short sellers saying, well, before, you know, this stock goes from 12, 14, 18 to 40, and I will lose a hell of money, I will rather buy my stocks back, give it back, and call it a day, right? So this is when more and more, you know, demand for the stock is created, and therefore the stock will even further rise, and then we can see levels, you know, 60, 80, 100. So something like this happened very, very similar to Tesla. First, there was the very, very bad Q1 in 2019, which the stock went into a downturn until the summer, until 178. I know it as it would be yesterday, because I was thinking such an undervalued company. And then Gigafactory in China started operations. They ramped up the Model 3, and people thought, you know, this is going to be great, right? And then, you know, quarter numbers came in as well, and then the stock picked up, and all the short sellers got, you know, squeezed, right? So this is what happened then. And then we saw even a stock price of $1,000 for Tesla from just a couple of months at $178. So a 5x your money just in a couple of months. This was a very, very big short squeeze. And this is actually happening when people are underestimating companies, when they underestimating the innovation that is getting there, or when they don't understand the company and, you know, cannot imagine that there's a market for this product. So this is very, very interesting. If perfect timeline, nobody can tell you. Maybe we will see a short squeeze right now once the selling is over and people get back into the stock, and the stock goes up to the 20 levels, 25 levels, right? So nobody can tell you when, but for sure there will be a short squeeze. I can almost, you know, bet my last t-shirt or my cream on it. You know, if I'm wrong, you can get the cream for free. Okay, before we diving into the conclusion of this video, I would like to emphasize how crazy of a value our membership is. You pressing the join button below all my videos and live streams, you can get access to a fantastic, absolutely super intelligent group of investors out there, the Discord chat, or you can just support the channel, or you can get even a one-on-one with me, and we can talk about stocks, we can talk about trading ideas, we can talk about economy, we can talk anything, you know, via email and exchange long thoughts, which I do with my members during and between those vlogs and live streams that I'm posting every single day. So if you want to have more, click the join button below. No other YouTuber out there in the stock investing world is offering even something close to that. And if you're thinking about space is a very, very big industry, okay? I mean, this will be, as Elon Musk said, the new air. And if you want to have some players into that in different kind of disciplines, right? So you have these people who want to make the humans interplanetary. This is the big vision and mission of SpaceX. Then you want to have, you know, a moon base, you know, Blue Origin. This is their big mission, to have a moon base out there with humans. And then, you know, on the sides doing some tourism, SpaceX doing, you know, some kind of satellite work and making the whole world, you know, with internet, satellites covered. This is all the side projects to fund the big mission. So as you can see, there's a lot of space, and basically as of this moment, no competition for Virgin Galactic, which is beautiful because some of the people are misinterpreting it out there. And one more thing, guys, there's more and more content, especially when I put something more controversial, like I want to have space stock at $14, you know, I would be very happy to buy more of this brilliant company. Then there's a lot of negative comments, and this is beautiful because then I see, well, there will be a very, very nice short squeeze out there. And secondly, I want to share with you guys, negativity in all the forms that are out there are always wrong, guys. Okay, stay positive, stay healthy, and stay subscribed and smash that like button and the bell, because then you will get all the notifications on all the videos that I'm posting and you will never miss one. And I hope this will make you a better investor.